Welcome back to another crypto video. What's good, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back into another video. Today we're going to check out KADENA. I think this is one of the best altcoins you can possibly buy right now. It's a top 100 crypto with over 260,000 people eyeing up this coin day by day. When we look at the coin market cap list, we can see 266,000 on the watch list right now. We've got a really nice 6% volume to market cap percentage over there. That's on the ratio side of things, with a market cap of only a very small but generous 807 million. And the reason I'm bullish on this particular project right now is because of its price structure. And the main reason is when we look at the Fibonacci retracement, where we're falling down to at the moment is just below that 0.786 Fibonacci. Now this is taking from August 2021, but if we actually look at the very beginning of the impulse when the bull market really started kicking off for alts, you can see really we're just landing at sort of the mid-range between the 1 and 0.786 Fibonacci, and that gets me quite bullish in some kind of strange way. We can also see when we look at the price range of the amount that it's actually come down by from its high. I mean, the first correction itself was 70%. The following correction was a bigger correction, I think. I'm not too sure. Maybe about the same. Yeah, just slightly bigger. So a 74% correction on the second correction. And the correction that we just experienced right now is a 56% correction from this particular swing high to swing low. So we've had these big contractions, big expansions of euphoria, greed, and lots of anxiety on the contrary. And that's what's happened at this particular time. We got rejected at this $10.40 level, and we were trading in this symmetrical triangle for quite some time before losing that support. And what's happened is we lost support over here, so now we've got a lot of resistance at $5.11 at this critical support level that we just lost. And I suppose the next level of support we have written in is $4.36, so it's very possible that we could revisit that level. But when we look at the RSI, we're sub 30, we're sitting at 25, just similar to 22nd of January 2022, and also a bit similar to the event on the 24th of February 2022. So we've only actually seen for KADENA three occurrences where we've been under 30 for the relative strength index. So this is the third bit of data that we've got that supports the fact that if you were to buy this dip today, not financial advice of course, we could potentially come up and retest this previous resistance level, let's say $5.10 over the next few days. That's what I imagine will probably play out. We might get a V-shaped recovery here, try retest the $5.10 level, but we could also see a lower low come through at $4.44. And if we did lose this critical support level, because it dates all the way back to 21st of January 2022, we could even come lower and see some price levels such as $3.50. I highly doubt we'll see $2.89 and something like that. But when you look at the grand scheme of things, if you were to assume this is the market cycle bottom right now for KADENA, will it come below $4.31? We don't truly know. But if we were to just predict that this is the bottom, this piece of support that we've got written in, well, yes, we've got loads of resistance at this 0.236 Fibonacci extension on the $9.98, but we also have these other pragmatic targets such as $13.40, $16.30, $19.10, and also $23.01. I suppose the key areas, like the key technical targets for the next bull cycle, because we want to start accumulating in these bear markets. We don't want to buy the euphoria, we don't want to chase green. That's not how we're going to be making money. We're going to be buying today, buying tomorrow, buying next week, buying in the bear markets, because this is when we can see KADENA potentially pop up to $43, potentially pop up to $38 over here, and even $34 when we come up and retest the previous all-time high, which was set on the 11th of November 2021. So these are the price levels I have got my eyes on, and I think it's very possible that we can see this particular action. Right now it just looks like it could be a big accumulation range. You see the price is coming down, we're creating that supply phase. Lots of dollar cost average at this particular level could play out quite effectively. So that's what's happening with KADENA really at the moment. We can see it's sitting pretty at rank 104, even though I believe it says we rank 92 on coin market cap, so I don't know what that's about. $4.76, $814 million market cap right there. And yeah, it's looking like a bloodbath, but these are the sort of red candles that do potentially minimize the downside and maximize the upside potential. Of course, we need to wait for what Bitcoin is going to do. We are under that bull market support band. We are under the 200-day moving average. So the whole sentiment is currently bearish at the moment. A bit of good news as well for the industry today. Kraken gets a regulatory license to operate in the UAE. So following the license, this means the cryptocurrency exchange plans to launch its regional HQ in Abu Dhabi after getting full regulatory approval to operate in the country. One of the first exchanges to ever get that particular license and approval. So this is some bullish adoption news for Bitcoin today. What else do we have? We've got crypto fear and greed index. What we're sitting at the moment, quick refresh, 23. So lots of fear in the market, where the money is usually made, where the retailers are selling, and where the whales are accumulating more and laughing in our faces. We can see as well on the crypto bubbles weekly market cap, Bitcoin is down to 39.1k over $743 billion market capitalization. We're down 11% on the month, we're down 28% on the year. So really we're waiting for Bitcoin to make its move. What can happen next? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. That's the truth. I don't know. You don't know. The guy next to you doesn't know. The guy down at the pub doesn't know. Nobody knows what will happen in the market. And not even Michael Saylor. Nobody. That's just the truth. So if you believe in crypto, if you're hyper bullish long term over the next 2 to 10 years, it's safe to say, if your vision aligns with that, get buying coins today, get buying crypto today. Use my link down in the description below. Buy some cryptocurrency today. What are you waiting for? No financial advice, of course. So that is what I'm going to be doing. My strategy now is to get liquidity, to move my alts into stablecoins, maybe even stake and buy Bitcoin. Basically Bitcoin I'll be holding, but some alt gems when I see the opportunity arise, like today, like this particular project here, when it's so oversold on the RSI and it's looking like it did in Jan 2022. Coins like this, I'll be scooping up little by little. Of course, you don't have to follow me. I'm just a YouTuber, so you don't need to copy what I am doing exactly. If you're new here as well, guys, make sure you hop into the Discord channel. Come say hello. There's about 210 people in here at the moment. And subscribe to the channel.